Hello guys, welcome back to Programming with Rana Vakas. In today's tutorial, we will learn about how to pass an object to a function. So how to pass object to function and by value and by reference. So I have declared or implement a class for you. Its name is test. And its data members are ID and name, and the scope of these variables are private, and there are some public member functions, default constructor, and this is overloaded constructor. Is arrow name is equal to name, and these are setters and these are getters. So let's make here a function void display. So basically this function is outside the scope of this class, so I can call here display as we can check here by writing a statement cout, let's suppose hi. So let's run this code. You can see here hi. So you can call this function without any object. So let's make here a object test. Let's suppose the name of object is obj t and pass here 12 and test name is, let's suppose, mathematics. So now pass this object into this function object. So guys, if here is the argument, one argument of type test, then there should be one parameter here of type test also. So let's suppose write here obj. So obj object will be copied into this obj. So I can say here obj is equal to obj. So guys, here copy constructor will be called here whenever you call any function by value and pass any object to that function. So I can write here cout obj dot get id. So let's run it. So the id should be 12. Okay, now let's suppose if I change the value obj dot set id, and if I change the value here obj dot set id, and I am writing here 25 into this obj. So this 25 will not go into this object id because this call was call by value. If I write in main obj t dot get id, going to display the value of obj t dot get id, and let's run this code. So you can see here 12, and you can also see here 12, and this line was useless at line number 46 because this line is just storing the value of id into the id of this obj. So what if I write here ampersand? So by putting here ampersand, the reference of this obj t will store into this obj. So now this is not called by value, this is called by reference. So no copy constructor will be called here because you are storing the reference of this obj t into this obj. So now if you will change the value in obj, it will also change the values in obj t. So let's run this code again and see what will happen at line number 53. So according to me, there should be 12 displayed at line number 45, and there should be value 25 at 53. So according to me, there should be 12 at line number 45, and after the execution of line number 46, the value at line number 53, after this function call, the value of this obj t id should be changed to 25. So you can see here I change the value in this function, and I supposed to change the value of this obj id, and the value is changed of this obj t. So you can pass any other object to this display function. So let's suppose this display function is supposed to display the information of test. So you can write here. So I am just displaying the value of this obj t. So let's call this function. You will see here the information of obj t test, and let's make here another object obj t1 or t2. So pass the values 15 and test is programming with run our class. So let's call again display method and pass obj t2 into it, and let's run it. You will see here test details 12 mathematics, and the next call is test details 15 programming with run our class. Hope so guys, you can now pass the object into functions by reference and or by value. So let's write here obj dot get id. Basically I am going to get the value of id directly here. So here should be error that id and name is private variable, and the function which is basically outside the scope of the class cannot access this id and name directly. So you can see here the error is std string name is private and the id is also private, so you cannot access these variables directly from this function. So I will explain you about something interesting in my next video about friend functions. So keep connected with my channel. Don't forget to like this video.